Welcome, rebels, to Rebel NK, where we dismantle the systems of control and explore the tools to reclaim our freedom. Today, we are diving into a groundbreaking question. Could blockchain technology finally end censorship forever? This is not just tech talk. This is the future of free speech, the battle for truth, and the ultimate rebellion against centralized control. Let's start by understanding the issue at hand. Decode the matrix. Rebellion is freedom. The internet, as we know it today, is heavily centralized. Social media platforms, search engines, and even hosting services are controlled by a handful of corporations. These entities decide what can stay online and what disappears with the click of a button. In authoritarian regimes, censorship is not just about silencing dissent. It's about erasing entire histories, blocking access to truth, and controlling narratives. And even in democracies, we have seen companies bow to governments or advertisers to suppress controversial but important discussions. Centralized power is the weak link in the chain of free speech. But what if there was a system that no single entity could control? That's where blockchain comes in. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized ledger, a network of computers working together to verify and store information. What makes it revolutionary is that no single computer or authority owns it. The data is distributed, making it virtually impossible to tamper with or censor. Let's break this down. Imagine a social media platform built on blockchain. Instead of your posts being stored on a company's server, they are distributed across thousands of nodes worldwide. No one can delete them, not even the platform's creators. In countries where news websites are routinely blocked, blockchain can host uncensorable news outlets. If the content is stored across a decentralized network, governments cannot just pull the plug. Blockchain creates a digital infrastructure where censorship does not just become difficult, it becomes irrelevant. This is not science fiction. Blockchain-based platforms like IPFS, Interplanetary File System, are already enabling uncensorable file sharing. News organizations like ProPublica have experimented with blockchain to preserve investigative journalism. And then there is LBRY, a blockchain-based platform for publishing content that's immune to takedowns. Even if you are banned from YouTube or Facebook, your voice remains alive on these decentralized systems. Hacktivist groups are also using blockchain to share information anonymously, bypassing firewalls and surveillance. In regions where accessing truthful information could mean imprisonment, this technology is a lifeline. But let's be real, blockchain is not a silver bullet. It has its own set of challenges. Scalability. As the network grows, maintaining speed and efficiency becomes harder. Accessibility. Blockchain platforms are still too complex for the average user. Regulation. Governments and corporations will do everything they can to undermine this technology if it threatens their control. Yet every revolutionary tool in history faced resistance. Blockchain is no different. Its potential far outweighs its obstacles. Why should you care? Because blockchain is not just about technology. It's about reclaiming power. It's about ensuring that the truth cannot be buried and that your voice cannot be silenced. Imagine a world where whistleblowers do not have to fear retribution because their leaks are hosted on an uncensorable network. A world where activists can organize without surveillance. A world where you control your data, your content, or digital life. This is more than a tool. It's a weapon for freedom. Blockchain is not just a buzzword. It's a revolution waiting to happen. It's a technology that could shift the balance of power from the few to the many. Centralized control to decentralized freedom. If you are ready to break the system, escape the matrix, and explore more of these revolutionary ideas, join the Rebel NK. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Until next time, stay curious, stay rebellious, and most importantly, stay free.